Be careful with all your property issues. Whoever said you have not done it, start doing it right now, and especially for your kids.
I used to be a last, the end, the tail enders for any kind of match. I used to be a 3 down, I used to bowl and all that. So today, it's a special kind of pitch, a special kind of match. Hey, exactly. Can somebody do that with me? Everyone.
Come on, let's start. It's a very exciting therapy and you will enjoy it, really.
Yeah,
let's go now.
Okay, thank you.
So we do training with a lot of difference. The difference that we do is, we do assessment pre, post, and during the training programs. Pre and post definitely is to understand the competencies that are involved, how people are. If we are doing a particular managerial communication program, we would like to know the corporate group that they send, what is the competency already they have, and what they need to develop. So we find the gaps involved, and then we design a program. I don't do any kind of a vanilla program out of the shelf. We have done wonderful research for over 7 years, and this whole concept of RGB analysis is based on neuroscience and neuropsychology. And inherited behavior or the innate behavior remains completely untouched by traditional tools of psychometry or psychology. And then we need such an instrument to understand what is deep inside.
Thank you, sir. That was really inspiring. I'm a specially able student teacher, so we need to actually find out what is the problem with those students and where they can excel in life. Maybe one part with the fingerprints, if you can find out, that is really amazing. I like the idea behind it. Definitely I will take it forward. Thank you very much, Dr. Kumar. Okay, now I welcome Ms. Isha Farah Qureshi. She's an educator, a techno-savvy person, an actress and model, as well as a very good speaker. So she's here with us today. I welcome you, Ms. Farah Qureshi. Please come here.
Thank you very much. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing today? A little bit loud. How are you all doing today? Oh God, that's amazing. Alright, so thank you very much for inviting me. I absolutely had no plans to speak. It was a surprise for me, in which way you had given me a job. I do have my passion side of it, where I'm more into acting, modeling, and I was the first candidate to represent the Middle East and Atlantic 2 countries at Mrs. Universe 2019, and I also was Mrs. International as well. But looking at this side of me, which is on the professional side, that's what she said on education technology. So we develop education technology for a better tomorrow. And tomorrow is the EdTech arm for the world's largest education company called GEMS Education. I work for GEMS Corporate on strategies. Today, tomorrow, with a great vision and mission. And that is, I get emotional when I say that. That's our chairman's dream, to make education accessible to every single child on this planet. Because education is the primary right of every child. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I came here to support you all as a guest, but I ended up talking EdTech, but I feel so proud, and thank you very much. Love you all.
Thank you so much, Isha. And I'm a teacher here, like how you said, whoever's a teacher, maybe, I know it's more of an admin task sometimes, and it's very true. And a sticky note on your table, so it's just for you to write that. And there are balloons on your table. I want you to blow the balloon and write down who stopped you from doing want it to go on the balloon, or you can put a post-it there also, not a problem. You can, and I want you to blow the balloon and write that. Everyone, please. There are balloons on your table. On the balloon, you're going to write down, after blowing, who demotivated you to do the business. Can you please put it in this fishbowl here? I will put it on this table. So it will really help us. Or I think I can pass this on. So everyone has blown the balloon. So the surprise is, all of you close your eyes and now burst the balloon. Burst it, so all your negative energy will come out. Whatever negativity you had in your mind about your business, and burst it, please. Yes. So you have bursted all the negativity out, and from now, we will now invite our exhibitors one by one on stage to introduce their business briefly for 2 minutes.
I started my work when I just reached here. I'm staying in Sharjah. I have 2 sons. My eldest one is a chef. So I just supporting my son right now in that business, Nani's Khazana. I'm just trying my best to what my mom did hard work to teach me. I can make that, and I can make happy to other families to get that taste. So I just try my best to thank you so much.
I'm helping people to remove their fears and help them in their day-to-day life as they have issues in their life like regarding jobs, career, business, relationships, and many more. So that's all, and thank you so much.
We have 2 gifts for our guests. So let's see who's going to win gifts. I'm going to close my eyes and pick a card. Let's see what do I get.
Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Vishnu. Louder! I think we don't have energy, we are hungry.
The gift is for a lady.
Okay.
Is there anyone inside the room whose name starts with F? A? Aisha. Okay, Aisha, come. Please, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Hi, this is Lata Palti. I'm working in an oil and gas company as a commercial manager, fashion by model, social activist also, and in addition, influencer too. Today I'm here, Spring Biz 2022. Miss Naushad Mukhtar invited such a nice event. I connected so many people, and it's all about entrepreneur and connecting new business, meeting people and knowing a lot. And today I have came to know so many personal stories which is really boosting me and motivating me to do more. And she has given me a appreciation, and really I'm thankful. And she's a business mentor, also supporting each other and grow a lot. thank you, and I look forward to meet so many people and her events, and really I'm like blessed to be here. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Hasbiya Kausar and I'm from SVK Media, and I've been invited from Nausheen to the Spring Fest, and I must say it is an amazing event, and I hope to see Nausheen coming up with more and more events for spreading out such great knowledge and power and women empowerment and more of the stuff. So wish you all the best, Nausheen, and good to see you here.
Hello viewers, good evening. My name is Dr. Kumar Shankaran Iyer. I'm a genetic behavior analyst, and I own and manage a company called Plethora Management Solutions. Well, I have been in this part of the world for the past 16 years, and today's evening is earmarked by Spring Biz Festival, which has been an astounding experience for me, and I have been invited to present amongst all the other presenters also. There were multiple presenters with business interest ranging from technology that's deep into AI, ML. There were people who were representing many of the businesses who had exhibited their products in the during the business festival, and quite a lot of interactions that have happened, and people who have come forward to engage and interact more offline after this event. Thankfully, I'm really happy for this evening. Thank you very much.
Hi, myself Ginny, and I'm a tarot card reader and a healer. And it was amazed to participate in this event, and we do networking, and we have conference over there and exhibition going on, and I love to participate with Nausheen ma'am. She's very helpful. I meet so many exhibitors and they are very good, and many people who are coming and seeing the conference and the exhibitor.
Good evening, this is Ishan from Zurich Investments, and today I had an opportunity to basically participate in Nausheen's Mukhtar event. I must say that it was extraordinary, it was unprecedented. We had a lot of professionals coming from various backgrounds. I would highly recommend Nausheen's Mukhtar's any upcoming event. We must participate and encourage new businesses and entrepreneurship as whole in Dubai, because Dubai is a place where people come with lots of dreams and they want to do something for themselves and for their family, and I think it's a perfect platform to come over here and do something for them and for their dreams as well. Thank you so much for your time.
I am Ms. Juliet Aranha, teacher at New Academy School. I'm an educator and Azan coordinator. I'm really happy to be a part of this event. I'm really grateful for Ms. Nausheen Mukhtar for really calling me for this event. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be the host for the event.
My name is Sonal, and I just participate in this Spring Biz event. Madam Nausheen is very helpful lady, and she guided me a lot, and she introduced me very nicely. So I'm really happy to come again and participate again this kind of events with Miss Nausheen.